Welcome to Borderline Furniture RX, project number 19, where some people are seeing a grandfather clock, but I see a Tardis. This is the Flea Market Flip Challenge, hosted by Sabrina at Sab's Rehabs. There will be many artists participating in this challenge, so please check out the playlist in the description below. So there are three categories for this challenge on the flip list: unexpected seating, functional, and reimagined. I had to outsource my flea market find because the local flea market is like a ghost town with zero furniture finds. I got my grandfather clock on Facebook Flea Marketplace. Okay, I just had to do that one last time for old time's sake. By the way, this clock was non functioning and not an antique. Now I'm going to fast forward you through the demo process. The TARDIS has a light on top, and I'm just finishing the trim for the box that houses the light fixture. I know this looks a little strange, but a chip brush makes a great cleaning tool for molding, and once I get done scuff sanding, it'll be time for Behr scuff defense. What can I say? I love Behr Oops paint, and with Paint Transformer, you can get the same great qualities of chalk paint. I know it seems like a hassle, but even if you opened a brand new can of paint or top coat, you should always filter your paint before putting it in your sprayer. Yes, this is exactly what you think it is, a solar yard light. I'm removing the solar components and modifying it for a plug-in light. And here's the iconic police public call box. This just totally makes it. You know, when you're at the end of a project and there's just a few small details to finish? Well, this glass shelf wasn't one of them. My husband came up with this bracket idea and saved the day. These brackets are excellent and I will totally use them again. My problem started when I measured for the glass shelving, but I did not account for the velvet backing. And sometimes this just happens when you're repurposing. And let's face it, this is housing for a clock, not necessarily a Tardis display case. And anyone who's ever done a remodeling project knows that some things just don't always go as planned. I'm installing 6 peel and stick light bars to illuminate the inside of the cabinet. Installing the door is the final piece in completing this cabinet. Just a reminder of where we started. And here is the final review. We are nearing the end of Project 19. I would like to thank Sabrina at Rehabs for hosting this challenge. Please remember to check out the playlist in the description below. Your likes and comments are always appreciated, and thanks for watching.